What an unexpected chance. Flanagan, Keary, Tedesco, if he had have offloaded then. Friend with the ball. You can tell by the desperate defence, Garrick had come in 20 metres in from touch as the last man in defence. Penalty 5 metres out. And first points of the afternoon. Levi, DCE across for Tapau and onto his back. Strong defence from Radley.
Danny.
Yeah, going backwards, mate. He's touched it going back.
Penalty to Manly. Tackle 4. Levi back to Cherry Evans. Tapau with it, no offload this time. Cherry Evans,
numbers left.
He wants it too. Braithwaite, back for top from Boyovich. Oh, this spine of Manly looks outstanding. So good.
Turn of events here.
Well, this is the Roosters. Manu, opportunist try. The touch judge, I think, is saying just check this one. No try for a strip will be the call to the bunker.
Victor Radley has dislodged the ball with 2 defenders in the tackle. We have a decision.
Last play, Friend, Flanagan. Plenty of time to run, and then the kick is not challenged for by Manly.
6 again.
And it's play on for Friend and then offloaded. And Orbison, as he did last week. We are going off to the bunker again.
Contacts Kyle Flanagan's hand into the hand of Brad Parker. We have a double knock on, first one by Manly. Have a decision.
Liu to play it. Friend, Flanagan, Keary over the top, Tupu for the corner. The Giraffe will score for the Sydney Roosters. Lovely touches in the lead up there, and Tupou was given a clear passage to the try line. Now Friend, Radley, Keary, floats it, ball, Morris with Tupou on his outside. He's coming in hot. They're coming in hot, the Roosters. Morris was on the fly, and Keary and Tupou to pick from.
Just want to make sure.
Trebojevic comes from behind. Keary's not looking, he knocks it on! Oh,
Luke
no!
Keary has lost the ball and attempting to ground it. Have a
It's
decision.
a huge play.
Massive from the fullback.
Friend, oh dear, it's gone through the hands. Tedesco with it. Last tackle, he tries to chip over the top. He's got it back. He's chipped over the top again. No, Garrick with the ball.
He's still going,
Garrick. And Garrick will get back to the field of play. Miracle after miracle there. Well, Levi can't get there. He was all tangled up. Crichton on the twister board. There goes Ikavalu. And coming back at half speed. I'm not sure whether that's not good from Ikavalu. Well, you're going to pay the price. He ambled back. He was on a romantic walk by Ikavalu.
What about him?
What about him? That's a penalty.
He's knocked it out, nothing quick. Here, come through.
Well, they can get in front of you, Manly. Verrills, Waria Hargreaves, another big run.
That's a run. That's a penalty.
Oh, last tackle, penalty right in front, 30 outs.
It's a big penalty too.
Flanagan with a kick, 31 out at 8-6. Flanagan.
Oh, beauty.
He's got it.
Keary's in position.
Tackle,
Keary's in position.
In position, field goal. Keary with a snap. Keary hits the upright and goes into the breadbasket of Fanua Blake. Oh my! He's 15 metres out.
Here we go.
Cherry Evans has 20 field goals in his career. Is this going to be 21? Yes, it will!
Happy, everyone?
He's almost kicked it out of the ground.